10-4 to 714, the female Roberta from that 1020 called it on 911.
What's happening?
The address of the call, 4343.
Nothing.
Whenever 10 North Broward was landline, what was that traffic?
We just had the female from that 1020 call in on 911, reference the situation with the male.
All right, 10-4. Yeah, it's, once you arrive or if you're already there and the occupants are requesting us to come up, just go ahead and go to the house and assist and just to keep the peace. But if they're not requesting us to come up, then just stay back and make sure that everything's good.
10-4, he's clear.
All right, 10-4, the main subject is already